Hey guys, what's going on? Comic Book Nate here. Not in the Nate Cave. I'm in my living room, but I haven't done a video in a little while, so I got a couple of things in the mail and thought we could do a live unboxing. Hey, how do you like them apples? Anyway, so just dive into it. Like I've said before, I always have books coming and so many I lose track of what's what, so I don't know what's in the mail when it gets here until I open it, and then it's kind of like a surprise. I've been buying, as you all know, huge X23 fan, huge Wolverine fan, but X23 even more so. But there wouldn't be X23 without Wolverine, so but I've been buying up everything X23, Laura Kinney, all new Wolverine, and X-Men that I can, so including a little bit of Wolverine. I just posted on my Instagram some new posters. This will probably be going on YouTube, but check my Instagram out, Comic Book Nate 87. And yeah, I got some a comic book poster and a movie poster, and they're both Wolverine and X23 related, so go check that out. I got tons of content on there at Comic Book Nate 87. I think I have over 7,000 posts. Yeah, check it out. Give me a follow. DM me. I always love talking comics, collectibles, movies, anything superhero related. But yeah. Anyway, so I have a feeling, it's not Wolverine or X23 related, but it is X-Men related. I believe this is the first work that Jim Lee, the artist, did on the X-Men. Yeah, it is. The Uncanny X-Men 248. Look at that beautiful bad boy. Gorgeous book. There's Lee right there. All the way back. I want to say this was in the 80s, so some of Jim Lee's first work. He doesn't sign like that now. Like if you look at his books that he does in the last 10 to 15 years, he signs differently than just the Lee there. But yeah, that's a gorgeous book in really nice condition. First Jim Lee work on some X-Men. Anyways, one book down. I got another one here. I'm hoping this is something else I've been waiting on. That would be Wolverine related. Not that X-Men isn't Wolverine related, but I'm hoping this is the other Uncanny X-Men book that I ordered with Wolverine specifically on the cover. Classic cover. I always like getting a card in the mail. Open this bad boy up. Any of you guys ever get worried about opening books and then you're gonna accidentally cut the book? I do. Oh, nice. This isn't a hard plastic top loader, so I shouldn't have to worry about damaging it as I cut it open. Oh my goodness, no, this is not. This is even better. Oh yes, I have been wanting this book. I want to say X-Men Red came out 1 to 2 years ago. Anyways, this is the variant by Lee Inuk. If I'm saying his name right. Anyways, huge famous artist, amazing art. I have some other books, variants, art by him. But this one I've been chasing for a long time, and it was just out of my reach until recently. And oh my god, am I ever happy to add this to the collection. Get this out and show it to you. Some tape on it. So this is X-Men Red 1. Inuk Lee or Lee Inuk. Again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but X-Men Red variant by him. And it's X-23 in her all-new Wolverine costume. Because she was in the X-Men Red series written by... Was X-Men Red written by... No, it wasn't. Tom Taylor. Maybe it was. I can't remember who wrote it, but anyways. X-Men Red 1, Inuk Lee variant, all-new Wolverine. Classic, amazing piece that is hard to get. Limited to 3,000 prints, I believe. Anyways, here she is. There's a glare there. Can't get that glare out. Anyways. Glad the reflection is in there. And this is a freaking gorgeous book. There we go, that's better. I wish I could get a close-up, but it's just reflecting too much. Very, very, very happy to have this into my personal collection. Been chasing it for a long time. It's a beautiful piece. I'll most likely get it graded and keep it for a very, very, very long time because one of my favorite covers, and it's my favorite character. And yeah, she isn't going anywhere. But yeah, those are the bad boys that came in today. So thanks for watching my live unboxing of these two books that came today. And yeah, take care, you guys. And feel free to like, subscribe, share, follow, comment. Check out my Instagram page, Comic Book Nate 87. And yeah, have a good one, guys.